guys, this is Sankeerth, and you know me before from my Mac recovery data videos, and we already did a few sessions before. So this is a new session for recovery of data from a Mac through another Mac. So previously I've explained you how to do that from a Linux operating system, but now I'm going to show you how to do that from a different Mac computer. So the first thing I would like to show you is there is a broken Mac here, and this one is totally broke and it doesn't work anymore. I mean, the motherboard is bad and the hard drive is good, in which the data is there, so we gotta recover that. So now we're just trying to get the data off here. So the first thing I would like to do is take this out and then take the battery out. In order to take the hard drive out of this computer, you gotta follow the steps that you need to remove the screws from the side. Yeah, we got one out, and we have two more. Just trying to get them out here. And then I have one more, which I'm working on. So we're out. So after you take this out, you have the latch here for the hard drive. You can see there. So you just pull it out with this, and then just pull the hard drive out. Make sure to pull it safe, and then once you take it out, you have a SATA hard drive here, and this is from Toshiba, and it's an Apple 60 GB hard drive. So this is a SATA hard drive, so you need a latch which can actually convert the SATA to a USB, and so that's why I got a latch which could do that for me. So this is a little thing. It can be on the top of this with the SATA drive, and then you can see that. So this is how we fit in. So this is pretty much acting like an external hard drive now. So once you take that out, you just put the USB in, and after you do that, just leave this here and connect the other end to your new Mac, which is I'm going to show you here. So this is a Mac, and then once you put this in, it's going to come up here with the new hard drive, like saying Macintosh hard drive. So eventually you can find out the difference between your hard drive is kind of looking this way, and the USB connected is showing the USB terminal. It's like a little orange thing. So you can see the Macintosh hard drive of the broken computer here. So this is in orange color, and then once you open that, usually the user data is in the users folder, and the default user is in here. So we just go in there, and you can go, you know, if you want to back up your documents or your desktop or your music or whatever you want, you can just copy over. I'll just show you a demo of how to recover from here. You can either save it to the computer or to an external USB drive. So I'm just using this drive for data recovery. So I'm just putting it here. So this is my other hard drive, the USB. So I'm just trying to copy one of my data from here, from the external drive. So I just copy and then paste it on my external drive, thumb drive. So once I go in there, so I just paste it here, and then I got it here. So this is from the Mac. So eventually I will also show you how actually you can view that from a computer too. Just save that onto your My Documents or your Downloads folder. So you just go in there, and I'll try to copy paste the data from there. So I just paste the data from the Mac external hard drive to here. So once I'm here, So you can totally disconnect your hard drive now, and then once you do that, there's nothing here, but I still have the data from there. So I just try to open up the e-ticket. See, this is from the data recovered, which is being taken out from the other Mac. So now you can see that. And so after you put the data in your thumb drive or your My Documents on your computer, you can just remove the external drive, which is the data recovery hard drive. So once you take that out, we'll just test from here. So data works from the Mac side. So we're just gonna make sure if it works from the Windows environment, like in the NTFS format. So I have Windows Fusion running here, so I'm just gonna flip over to the Windows Vista from here. So once I go there, I just go to the folder. Like, let me see from the My Documents if I can open the folder and the document from here. So I just saved the e-ticket, right? So you can see there. So it's working from the Windows and also from you can see from the Windows and the Mac side. So eventually your program is working, your hard drive is working from either ways. And then after you do that, I will also double check if I can recover the same document from my Windows computer, which is an XP. So let me just take this out from here, and then after I take it out, I'll just flip over here. So once you take the USB out, you have the data here, so you can plug it in this computer too. So I'm going to put that in, and then let's see if it comes up here. It's going through, so we'll just go to my computer and then wait for the drive to come up, and we hit OK to open the drive. You can see here the e-ticket is right here. We'll try to open that one. Woohoo, it works. So it's eventually seen that it's going to work in all the computers or any type of operating system. So the best way to recover your data is taking out the hard drive from a Mac and saving it to another Mac or any Mac oriented operating system like Leopard or anything like that. So that would actually save you more time, and once you copy that to your thumb drive or external drive, you can just swap that to any other computer you have and it works. So once you have recovered the data, you can either put it on your thumb drive or external drive or any other detachable media, and you can totally use that on any other computer. Eventually I just tried it on my Windows Vista, XP, and the Mac. So eventually I tried out all the different file formats or the partitions which can read the Mac data. So after we save it here, you can totally use that on any other computer. So I hope this video is very helpful for you to recover the data from your Mac, and stay tuned, and I'm going to come up with more videos on data recovery and other virtual machines and virtualizations from your Mac. So that'll be coming up in a few months from now. Thanks so much. Have a good one.